finally, I get to relax in my house for the rest of my life. Okay, it's time to have a nice rest on my couch. Finally. Turn on the TV with my remote. Here we go. Alright. Oh my god! I can't stop laughing at this! What's happening? Oh no! I'm having a cough! Help! Yes? What just happened to you, Leafy? I am having a very bad cough. Don't be feeling bad, Leafy. I'm here with you. I just want to give you something. Yes? What is it? Right with me. What is it? Show it to me. I have Woods cough syrup inside the bottle, and it's the ivy leaf. It's for you to get rid of the cough. Oh, thanks. Open it. Okay, I'll open it. Just wait for a second. Okay, all opened. Here's the bottle I have. Okay, thanks. Now for the cap and cup. The cap and the cup. Okay, so what does that mean? You'll find out. Okay, cap. Next, the bottle. Okay, opening it. Okay, now to pour it into the cap cup. Okay, done. Now give it a try. Okay. Huh? Oh my god! Thanks, Pin! I got that off! I got rid of that cough with that had germs and bacteria in it that gets me bad sore throat, and then I had a bad cough for that. This is why I take Woods, the cough syrup. That'll be good. Yep, that's right. Closing it in. And there we go. I'm glad that you're okay. Yeah, thanks. Okay, let's rest. Let's have fun, watch TV. Okay, let's return when watching TV. That'll be cool.